Hi, somebody asked me to do a quick video on how to take the Norrfly out of the bracket once it's been installed, and so I'm just going to do this really quickly. I don't have any kind of professional camera equipment, so I'm going to do this the best that I can just with my iPhone. So if you look at the bracket, this part right here holds this part of the light, and this part right here fits into this this tray. So when you put it in, you seat it up against here and then snap it in like this. So when you're going to take it out, you need to get in between the light and your shelf, and you need to crank it rotating down away from you. So like this, because you need to get this out of here. So I'm going to pull it down like this. Okay, so I'm going to snap it back in and set this down. Sorry. So I'm going to put my hands, my thumbs basically inside of here and pull down this way without dropping my phone. Okay, so I'm putting my thumb in here and my thumb in here, and I'm pulling down and rotating it away from me. I hope that helps.